Hello, I'm Michael L. Perry, and welcome to Cryptography Principles for IT Professionals and Developers. I'm a software mathematician, meaning that I apply the rigor of mathematics while building software systems. And there is no clearer application than in the study of digital security. Do you know why we use prime numbers in cryptography? It's to do with a 400-year-old theorem that laid the foundation for the algorithms that protect the internet today. And how do we know that we've sufficiently hidden digital information? That's all based on a 70-year-old math paper that gave the world a framework for reasoning about secrecy systems. In this course, we don't shy away from the math. We learn how cryptography works, why it works, and how to avoid common mistakes. But we will also see practical examples using the tools that we use every day. Along the way, you'll learn how to use the OpenSSL command line tool, when to apply hash, symmetric, and asymmetric algorithms, what goes into a digital certificate, and how to use cryptography libraries in both .NET and Java. When you're done, you'll know how to assemble algorithms to create a complete crypto system for solving your most pressing security problems. Before you begin, you should be comfortable at the command line and have a good foundation in basic algebra. Knowledge of either C# or Java will help when we get to the coding exercises. I really enjoyed going back through some of my favorite math papers in preparation for this course. I hope that you'll allow me to be your guide through the fascinating world of information security with Cryptography Principles for IT Professionals and Developers at Pluralsight.